These units are manufactured in the USA by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and can be purchased online at Hamilton Home Products or at the Home Depot. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel, and the guarantee on the units is not as good as many other brands. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The TM9E models are basic multi-position furnaces with a 95% efficiency and a constant torque blower motor, while the TM9V C models are premium two-stage furnaces with a 96% efficiency and a variable speed blower motor for more quiet and efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category.